Hello everyone and welcome to another video. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to use the new Think tool inside N8N. So as we heard, lately Anthropic has released the Think tool, enabling Claude to reason more and think about complex tool usages and situations. So you can read all the description and details about this new Think tool inside the Anthropic website. I will leave you guys the link in the description. As you can see here, this article goes a bit in depth about what is actually the Think tool and what it does and how it works. So feel free to check it out. But this is not our main focus today, as we will be exploring how to actually use this tool inside N8N. And the good thing is that this tool is not only available in combination with Anthropic's models like Claude only, but you can use it with any other, but multiple at least LLMs that are not Anthropic's LLM. So first of all, you will have to navigate to your N8N instance or interface. For this tutorial, I'm using a self-hosted instance of N8N. If you don't know how to self-host N8N on your local machine, I have previously made a tutorial on how to do just that. Just feel free to click on the card that is on the top right corner appearing now. And after you do that, you will have to go to the terminal and update your instance or update the version of your N8N. Before we continue with this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, as that will help us a lot. Thank you. So for this to work, you will have to go with the 1.88 version of N8N. To update it, just write in the terminal the npm update -g N8N command and run it, and it will automatically update your N8N to the latest version. Once you do that, go to your workflow or create a new one if you don't have any. So start from scratch for the sake of this tutorial, and then add first step, or right click and click on add node. Look for AI agent. So for this tool to work, you will have to use an AI agent inside N8N. So create an AI agent, specify the chat model that you will be using, or actually the LLM that will be powering your AI agent. So for this sake, you will get the list of all the LLM providers. There are Anthropic, Mistral, Grok, or whatever. For the sake of this tutorial, we'll be using Grok chat model for the use of a free LLM. So click on Grok, include your credential to a Grok account. So basically input your API key to the Grok account, and then select the model that you want to be using. I'll be using the Qwen QWQ 32 billion model. After you do that, you can add a memory to your AI agent. So just click here and then go choose the desired memory. We'll be using the simple memory for the simplicity sake of this tutorial. So just add it here and leave it. And then in the tool, just click on add tool and look for the Think tool. You'll find it here. Just add it, and you will not have to change anything. I mean, if you want to change the description of the Think tool and tell the LLM when to exactly use it, or you can go with a predefined prompt, let's say, to the use of this model. And just like that, you have used the new Think tool. And to see it in test, just run the model. This will open here the session. You can chat with it. So let's ask it what is 1 + 1, for example, which is a dummy question. Okay, let's go with open chat, sorry. And just like that, you will see after you input your question, you will see that you get a response. And in the traces here, you will see that your AI agent used the Think model. It is actually iterating what it is going to do to solve your question. So as you can see here, the response is calculating 1 + 1, adding 1, and 1 gives 2. So this one will be provided to the LLM, and then it will output the actual answer. So let's try to do something here. What about 1 plus, let's say, hashtag year, which is not an actual number, so let's make it think. So here it didn't use the Think model. It is actually asking me to specify what is the hashtag symbol. So let's say you should know about it. Let's make a typo here. So right now without K. Oh yeah. Okay, as you can see here, it's using the Think model. Okay, it didn't clock the typo that I made. So yeah, it used the Think tool and is actually thinking about what the hashtag symbol might be. So considering the user mention of in their response, you should know about it. Possible angle 1. They might have intended a specific number. So yeah, it's actually trying to think of what can the hashtag symbol be. So it's asking me to clarify more. Let's say it is 2. So it's thinking again. So it's replaced the hashtag with 2. And the user specified, so it's reasoning here. So it said that I specified that the hashtag symbol is actually 2. And it gave us the answer. So yeah, this is simply how to use the Think model. Of course, the sky's the limit with your use cases. You can implement it in whatever use case you want. You can go a bit more in depth and in details, or make complex use cases, and it will help you with that a lot, and it will provide you, I guess, better quality of answers. So yeah guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and found it useful. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll be seeing you in the next tutorial. Goodbye.